Hello everybody, I'm Frédéric Michel, I'm native French, and so I'm sorry if my English is not very perfect. I'm not native American. So I decided to create a new video for American citizen, of course, and because I live in USA. And so I will speak of the Sharper. Yeah, yeah. How can I explain to you the problem? Sometimes you you live in single and you want to meet a beautiful one or a man, of course. And so in the website, you want to meet girlfriend or boyfriend. And you will also meet a lot sharper. Alors, why you can avoid the sharper? It's not mistake because he will ask you every time sending money by Instagram or MoneyGram or Western Union. He don't accept the transfer bank to bank or receive the money by another system. Okay, so what is the process? The process is very simple. You will receive an email or you will looking something in woman in internet, natural. So that the sharper will live essential in United Kingdom, Guava, and sometimes in USA, but the majority in European is don't live in USA because you know what the law, the justice will catch and it's over for him. So the process we have a lot and so I'm writing something because I have a lot experience with the scammer because me I like looking because when I feel it's not good and mistake the woman is not serious, I want to understand what is the process for the sharp. Okay, so I don't wait. We will not wait, and so in first you will find I love a woman. And a single woman, maybe you work for US Army or you travel, and after 1 or 2 weeks, she will declarative, love you, etc. etc. So, in first, you need to know the woman you will not want to live with you after just 2 weeks, because in first he don't know you. So when you will see this after 2 weeks, 1 week, you know the sharper he don't like lose the time, so he like to go fast, and she or her will send a lot picture for the man interested, beautiful picture of course. So you can ask also the picture of nude, but you can't, it's not a problem. So, what is the process? I come back. The process is simple. The woman, you need to money, you need to send the money, because, for example, you lose the document or a credit card, and she need to help you. Simple. So, she will not accept to transfer the money to bank because she wants absolute in cash, Western Union. So that she will ask you, or he will ask you some money, $100, $200, $1,000 for pay the ticket, flight, or leave, etc. So for the ticket flight, be sure if you want to avoid the problem, you propose, I buy the ticket, I send by email the receipt, no problem. So you will see she will not accept, and she want cash. So that don't send the money because you have not the money. You don't want to lose the money. Me too. So that don't send the money. You should done the communication. It's a few over with the scanner, the sharper, sorry. So you can find also the second system, heritage. Yes. A woman or man live in Ghana or in Africa or in Russia, and she has a grandfather or father. It's a very rich, very important people, and he has $1 million to $2 million and stay in bank, and he need to you help for what? You contact the bank and you transfer to the bank for after the woman can keep the money. Of course, it's not true. So that what is the process? In the process, he will ask you to contact the banker. Normal. But when you will receive the banker, the email from banker, first you will be surprised because you have not the logo of the bank. It's natural. You have the contact of bank. In the bank, if the banker will, when he contact you, he will give you a new phone number, fax number, cell phone number, and email for contact. You will just receive phone number and email number. You don't find the logo, so that mistake. You can contact the bank. You can try to contact the bank, but you will find an sharper, and he will answer you. So you can also, if you want to be sure, let's go in bank. You ask your banker, what do you think? It's a banker, he will try to contact him, not contact. So what he will ask you? The banker, sharper, will ask you to send $500 or $800 for just pay your tax for transfer the money. Don't accept, of course, and don't mistake. If the sharper propose for the transfer 25% of $1 million, sincerely, for me, for $1 million, I go United States, I charge the money. Now, because you are legitimate heritage, you can go. What is the problem? You go in embassy, you ask the visa, if you show the document for proof, and just to go in United States for keep my money, not a problem. After you can transfer the money, it's not a problem. So that, again, don't accept to send the money. And you can find also a system for the job. Une company will contact you because you cherches a job, and the company cherches an employee for just work in home. In front of your computer, you stay home, it's very good. So that you will just in first work for the company, and you want to search for open a new store, for example. No, you will work for this, and after you will ask you for transfer the money bank to bank. So you will transfer your money from your bank to your bank, and approximately $5,000, $8,000, and you will transfer the money by Western Union. Why you don't transfer money to bank and keep your commission? The commission it's 8%, 10%. What do you think? The problem, if you send them, if you go in bank and you transfer the money by Western Union, you cannot bring the money. You cannot stop or cancel the transaction. The sharper him can cancel the transaction, so that you lost $8,000 or $5,000. But of course, your commission. Bye bye. So that again, don't accept the transfer of the money. Okay, and you can find also the new system for the woman. This is me. I call the prostitute. because the woman he will contact you for cherche relationship or other, and you will ask a picture of her, natural, and she will send a little bit, and she will ask, okay, if you want, I send a beautiful picture or only picture. Buy for me gift card, Amazon, iTunes. The value it's $80 approximately, $100. So that of course don't accept, because it is if you want to just looking the picture of the woman on nude and you pay $100, it's not interesting. You can find another woman in the website. Okay, everybody, I hope you understand my English, and if you have the questions, write in commentaire, and I will answer you. Okay, have a nice day.